like celebrating the small things to me was just like, okay, like you woke up on time today. Good job. Like you got to celebrate that. You got to be proud of that. Like, okay, you finished all these assignments today. Acknowledge that that is a good thing and that you should be proud, because you might feel like, okay, like that's what I had to get done. Like I shouldn't celebrate it because that's like my job. Like, no, celebrate it because you did that. Good job. Like those type of things. And also like what I just mentioned of like just like creating something to celebrate. Like, look at me, I got a bubble tea today. Like, oh, I'm excited about that. I'm happy about that. Like those little things would make me happy. And like those are the little celebrations that I would incorporate into my day so that I wouldn't feel so like, ugh, with work.